Hello, across and Techs enthusiasts. Today we're going to talk about a software that goes by the name of Kali Linux. And yes, this video is going to be a bit different. Ali Linux sounds mysterious, doesn't it? It's like the name of a secret agent's computer. You probably heard of Kali Linux, but do you know what it's really used for? Kali Linux, ladies and gentlemen, is like the James Bond of the tech world. It's ethical hacking with a license to thrill. You might be thinking, Sudhanshu Bahad, are you going to teach us illegal hacking? Well, let me tell you, Kali Linux is all about ethical hacking, which means no bad intentions allowed. Now, I'll show you some super cool tools of Kali Linux. Look at this Metasploit, a powerful tool to test your network vulnerabilities. But remember, only for good deeds. Hunt down hidden viruses or malware on your computer and clean them up, just like Sherlock Holmes. And with Kali Linux, you'll gain hacking skills that will make you sneak into networks like a ninja. But remember, we're the good guys, okay? Ethical hacking is about protecting system, finding vulnerabilities and helping organizations stay safe from cyber threat. It's a superpower for good, my friends. So if you also want to take your data skills to the next level, Kali Linux is an amazing option. But remember, always use your powers for good and stay on the right side of the tech world. That's it for today, folks. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And one more thing, keep hacking ethically and stay curious.